The Appian Intelligent Contact Center provides a centralized solution to streamline HR requests and empower HR staff to deliver exceptional employee experiences. With Appian, HR specialists have unified employee views, embedded omnichannel communications, and intelligent automation and case management capabilities that help HR staff to handle complex processes and situations. In this demo, we'll highlight critical capabilities that enable organizations to create employee-centric solutions that exceed expectations and free HR staff to focus on employee engagement, not IT systems. As an HR specialist, my work is centralized around my ICC agent dashboard. As you can see, I'm currently set as unavailable. This means no incoming interactions from employees will be assigned to me. The dashboard displays KPIs around my recent interactions, which allows me to track my overall rankings and activities in our HR Service Center. I can see my daily statistics as well as my leaderboard rankings up at the top of the page. Below this are various actions I can take, such as searching for an employee or reviewing relevant reports, benefits information, and time off requests. Now I'm going to make myself available to start assisting employees. ICC enables embedded omnichannel communication capabilities, which allows me to take incoming requests using a variety of channels. ICC is configured for calls, text messages, also known as SMSs, and web chat. I've just made myself available to receive inbound SMS messages. One of our employees is reaching out via text and has been assigned to me. ICC uses Appian's dynamic user interface features to create the screen pop for the interaction, pre-populated with all of the data and details I need to assist the employee. First, I'm going to verify some information to ensure employee data privacy and confidentiality. This verification process is modular and customizable and can be automated to only allow verified users to speak to live agents. Now that the employee has been verified, I will send the recommended response to learn how I can help the employee. We'll come back to these recommended responses in a bit. A core part of every Appian experience is a record, and ICC is no exception. This 360-degree view of the employee eliminates the need for me as an HR specialist to navigate multiple applications to assist the employee, making the entire interaction that much faster, boosting productivity and employee satisfaction. I'm able to focus on the employee's request and have all the information available to me at the time that I need it. Returning to the agent dashboard, I can see the various actions I can take during the interaction. For this demo, we'll focus on an employee requesting to take emergency leave. This employee had a bad accident and broke her leg. Here, I can put notes to document our interaction. She doesn't have access to a computer and doesn't know when she will be back in the office, so I will log leave for her and discuss when she should have a touch point for when to come back to work. This touch point will appear as a task on the designated day to ensure the proper HR follow-up. Once I submit the emergency leave, you'll see the dashboard populates with the time off request. The employee has also requested a handicap parking pass for returning back to work. I can log a case to handle this request to ensure her return back to the office is made as easy as possible. This is a great example of Appian's flexible and easy-to-use case management capabilities. I'll input information about the request for the parking pass, and this will be routed as a task to the appropriate team to handle. Once I select Log New Case, the recommended response is provided for me to communicate to the employee. The recommended response section is powered by AI using natural language processing, available for SMS and chat, to deliver dynamic responses based on what is happening within the interaction. Intelligent automations, such as these recommended responses, can guide me in determining next best action for a true guided agent experience. After I submit the case, you can see that my recent cases grid is updated with this case for my employee. Recent cases is another example of the record-style information being brought into the single pane of glass view. Clicking into this case shows me what the current status is and allows me to provide this information to the employee as needed. Here, I can see ICC's interaction log, which automatically captures relevant events during an interaction. Having a comprehensive audit trail provides me with the complete details of past interactions with the employee. This is an important way to improve the employee service experience, as I don't have to ask the employee about past interactions. Clicking into view details on any of the recent interactions gives me all the information around previous interactions from the employee. This information is vital for when I receive a follow-up interaction to assist quickly and eliminates the need for an employee to repeat themselves. This can help improve employee satisfaction and HR productivity. During the course of any employee interaction, I may need to write down important information or items to be tracked for later. The interaction notes provides this as a central location for significant information. Using the knowledge base, I can easily search for relevant articles to better handle incoming interactions with employees. For example, I can use this to find documentation to answer employee questions, reducing the amount of time it takes to handle the requests. Now we have a bit of a problem. Our employee has sent an angry text and is not happy. Using sentiment analysis functionality, ICC scans inbound messages to determine the current mood of the employee. This helps me know if an employee is frustrated or in need of additional help. This is also a great solution for coaching opportunities or identifying where I may need a supervisor to step in to resolve an issue. Now that I have helped the employee and set up some follow-up tasks, we can end the interaction and finish any items while in wrap-up mode, and then go back to the queue to receive new chats. I'll go on Unavailable now so we can take a look at the Manager Dashboard. The Manager Dashboard for HR Service Center managers provides real-time views into queues, employee interactions, and employee sentiment, as well as tools to identify coaching opportunities or where service levels may need additional staffing to ensure employee satisfaction and quality experiences are delivered. HR leaders want to ensure the best service to their employees when it comes to personnel questions, benefits, wellness, and employee development. In handling these complex processes, it's important to drive improvement in employee satisfaction ratings, first contact resolution for employee service requests, escalations, and general inquiries. The more efficient your HR staff becomes in helping employees, the more satisfaction increases, driving down turnover and improving the employee experience.